Hey guys, welcome to Zero Day Coder, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to give the public access to any user. Okay, in the last video we have talked about like how to give to the internal testing access. So there's a two things, like in App Store Connect there's a two way. The first one is called internal, where internal user has to first accept the invitation and then only he can download the app. Okay, but in external testing group he doesn't have to accept the invitation. So let me show you how we can do that. Okay, how to add someone as an external testing group without inviting. So okay, just let me just give a heads up to you guys. So in the internal testing, what we do first, we go to the user and access, we invite them on the user and access, we add them, and then he will receive the email for the invitation. And once he accept the invitation, we go to the like any apps, we go to the TestFlight, and inside the TestFlight we have a two things: internal testing group. Inside the internal testing group we create a one group, and after that we add that person as a tester, and again he will get the invitation, and that's how he can use. That was the internal testing. Now in the external testing, what he has to do, basically user can just download the app or join the TestFlight link or testing group without accepting any account or some sort of. He can just download it by clicking on that link via TestFlight. So we're gonna just call this external demo. Now I'm gonna click on create. Now here we have to first add the build. Okay, so we have some couple of builds, so I'm gonna add this build and gonna click on next. Now we can have a description. This is beta app, please test the app. So you can add this as description. So basically when the user install that, he will get this sort of notification on the bottom, please test the app. Okay, feedback email, you can put any email for now. So for me, like I'm just gonna put my email, maybe a founder@autoaisorts.com, and you can put the name like contact information like MD Ali Sean Ali, some sort of. And once it's get done, sign in required is false, and we can put any numbers, maybe it's maybe any wrong number, this is not my number, and we can have an email. And after that, once we fill this information, it will go for the approval, it will go for the review to the App Store team. Okay, and it will took like almost a couple of hours, or it can take one day. Once it get review, you can add that test, like there you will get the link, you can copy that link and share with any person. Okay, I think it makes sense to you guys, right? So yeah, that's how you can invite, or that's how you can create the public URL. So yeah, that's all in this video. Thank you, bye, love you.